In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. Whether you're creating a social media post or designing a presentation, grid lines can be invaluable for maintaining order and alignment in your designs. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Canva account. If you're brand new to Canva, creating an account is straightforward and can be done within a few minutes. Once you're logged in, we're ready to create a new design. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Click on the big blue plus sign labeled Create. This will open a pop-up window where we can customize our canvas. Now, look to the left-hand side of this pop-up and click Custom Size. Let's begin by setting a square canvas, perfect for Instagram posts, so enter 1080 by 1080 pixels. Hit Create New Design, and Canva will open a fresh workspace for you. Now that we've got our canvas set up, let's move on to adding guides. Look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover down this drop-down until you find Settings and click it. Here, ensure that the Show Rulers and Guides option is checked. This step is crucial as it allows us to view the layout guides that we are about to add. Next, let's jump into setting up our grid. Go to the top menu and select Add Guides. Canva provides a handy pre-made grid option right here. For today, let's use the 3x3 grid. Select this, and you'll immediately see a checkerboard pattern overlaying your canvas. This simple grid divides your canvas into equal sections, providing a neat framework that you can use while designing. However, you might want more control over your guides. If the pre-made option isn't quite what you're after, you can customize them. Go back to File, click Settings, and then find Add Guides once more. Click on Custom, and you will have the freedom to create your own layout. You might choose 3 columns and 3 rows with a gap of 0 for simplicity. When you're ready, click Add Guides. Should you want even more customization when adding column guides, repeat the previous steps and input your preferred number of columns. Set any gaps, margins, and rows to 0 for a clean, uninterrupted grid. The same process applies to adding row guides. Following these steps ensures your design remains clean and symmetric, allowing you to concentrate on creativity without worrying about misalignment. Finally, as you're working, you might decide that you no longer need these visual aids. In that case, simply return to Settings and choose Clear Guides. This will remove all the guides, leaving your design space clear and focused. By mastering these simple steps, you'll be able to bring precision and polish to any of your Canva creations. Happy designing!